Hi there. So, for any reason, if you lost your contacts from your iCloud account and don't know how to get them back, then just relax, because in this video, we're about to show you how you can recover your contact which you have lost from your iCloud account. Now here's how you can do it, but before we go ahead and show you that, the only problem that people are currently facing with their iPhone is there is actually no contact option available on their iPhone. Therefore, either you need to use a Mac or a Windows to do the work. Now we will be using Windows to show you how it really works. Now, when you're Windows or Mac, go ahead and open up your browser and type iCloud.com. Press enter. Now once you're here, go ahead and enter your Apple account. Now once you're here, go ahead and click Account Settings. Now scroll down to Advanced Options and click Restore Contacts. Now go ahead and select an Archive of Contact to restore. Now click Restore. Now click Restore again. And now your contact has started restoring. Well done, now it says Contact Restore Complete. Well, while doing the process, you have to be careful with one thing, because it will take up to 6 hours to take your contact back to your device. Okay, now after 6 hours later, we have received an email from iCloud. Now it says your contact have been restored successfully with the date. Okay guys, and this is how you can restore your contact from your iCloud account as well. Hope this video is pretty useful. If so, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thanks for watching.